we can discuss overview of the unit first computer system. In the unit first, we can discuss what is a computer system. A computer system is a set of integrated devices that input-output process and store data and information. There are two types. One it is that the hardware, another it is that the software. In the hardware, CPU that can be divided into three parts. One it is that the control unit, another it is that the arithmetic logic unit or ALU or memory. First, control unit. These units control the operation of all parts of the computer. It obtains the instruction from the memory, interprets them, and directs the operation of the computer. Second, it is that the arithmetic and logic unit that can be perform CPU system that carries out arithmetic and logic operations such as an arithmetic operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, similar to the logical operations not and, or, and etc. Third, it is that the memory unit. The memory unit stores the data, instruction and sends the information to the other units of the computer whenever it needs. In the memory there are two types. One it is that the primary memory, another it is that the secondary memory. Primary memory is select any part of the memory when user want to save the data in the memory but that not be stored permanently on that location. It is also another name, it is that the RAM. Secondary memory is external and permanent memory that useful to store the external storage media such as DVD drive, hard disk, memory cards, memory sticks like pen drive. Secondary memory deals with following types of the components. It is that the first component, it is the ROM, read-only memory. Memory location that offer huge ROM is permanent type of standard to save data. In the ROM, there are number of types. One it is at the PROM, EPROM, EEPROM. Next, it is at the software. Software, it is that the two software, system software and application software. The system software consists of low-level binary programs that interact with the computer at very basic level. Some example it is that the Windows operating system, Mac OS and Linux OS. Application software, it is short for the app, a program or group of programs designed for the end users. Next it is that the generation and timelines of the computer. In 1822, the father of the computer, Carlos Babbage, began developing what would be first a mechanical computer, then actually designed analytical engine which was a general purpose computer. It combined ALU, some basic flowchart principle and the concept of the integrating memory. Generation of the computer, first generation, the time period it is that the 1940 to 55. This was when machine language was developed for the use of the computer. The vacuum tube used for the circuitry and for the memory store magnetic drums are used. In the second generation, vacuum tubes are replaced by the transistors, and that is the faster, smaller and more energy efficient to the first generation. The time period it is at the 1956 to 1963. Third generation, it is the hallmark of the period 1964 to 71 was developed of the integrated circuit means IC. Fourth generation, integrated circuit are replaced by the microprocessor means number of blocks comes at the one or single IC. The Java language that can be introduced in this generation. And the last generation, this is the present and future of the computer world. The defining aspect of this generation, artificial intelligence. The use of parallel processing and superconductors are making this a reality and provide a lot of scope for the future. Next, it is that the chronology of the microprocessor. The chronology of microprocessor that can be start to the 1970, that can be designed or introduced the first microprocessor 4004 that can be introduced by the Intel. In the 1980, the 16-bit and 32-bit microprocessor were common among new designs. The CMOS technology overtook NMOS. Transistor count increased dramatically during the decade. In 1990, 32 microprocessor dominating in the consumer market, the processor clock speed increases by more than 10-fold between 1990 to 1999. The 64 microprocessor began to emerge later in the decade. 2064 microprocessor become mainstream in the 2000s. The microprocessor clock speed is reached to the ceiling because of the heat dissipation in the valley. Next point, it is that the overview of the operating system. How can operating system that can be operate in the computer that can be seen at this point. Number of functions and number of memory that can be takes for the example of operating system. Next, it is that the computer booting process. The booting is the initial set of operation that computer systems perform when electrical power is switched on. The process begins when computer that been turned off is re-energized and ends when the computer is ready to perform its normal operation. That is the computer booting process. Next, it is that the instruction set architecture. In computer science, an instruction set architecture is an abstract model of computer. It is also referred as architecture of or computer architecture. A realization of an ISA such as central processing unit is called as implementation. Last point, it is that the operating system case study, that is the DOS and Unix. DOS is the disk operating system, is for the single user IBM compatible computers. Microsoft Corporation sells these products under the name MS-DOS, Microsoft Disk Operating System, and the licenses another versions called PC-DOS to the IBM for use its personal computers. Next, it is that the Unix system, or last point, it is that the Unix was developed by Bell Laboratories in the 1970 and is one of the few small-scale operating systems that is the both multi-user and multi-programming capable. This allows computer running on Unix to process a high volume of input from multiple users from using multiple CPUs simultaneously. Thank you.